guys, welcome with another video. In this session we will discuss about English grammar. So we will start from our basic, that is from sentence, like how we can make a sentence. So let's start with definition. So you can see we utilize verbs when we speak or write. These terms are usually used in a groups. For example, Hamid said in a corner. So you can see this is a group of words that makes a sentence. So how we can define a particularly word sentence? So a sentence is a collection of words that make complete sense together. So let's start with kinds of sentences. So generally there are four kinds of sentences. First one is those which make statements or assertions, as Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. And that second, those which ask questions, as like where do you live, where are you coming from. So these kinds of questions are also kind of our sentence. So number third is those which express commands, requests, or entreaties, as be quiet, have mercy upon us. So the fourth one is those which express strong feelings, as how cold the night is, what a shame. So a sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. So you can see those statements are declarative or assertive. So for introductive, how we can define a sentence that makes a question is called introductive, and imperative, a sentence express a command or an entity, is called an imperative sentence. So exclamatory, so you can see a sentence that express strong feelings is called the exclamatory sentence. So these were just verbally. So you can just start with the basic of this grammar for your learning points. So this is all from my side. So now we will discuss some basic of our grammar. And thanks so much for watching.